Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the oil on a Honda HR-V. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need 4.2 quarts of new 5W20 engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Park your HR-V on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and allow the engine to cool for at least 30 minutes to prevent burns. Now, let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, typically a 17mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old, dark oil drain completely into the pan, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, we'll replace the filter and refill. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn with the wrench. Finally, carefully pour 4.2 quarts of new 5W20 engine oil into the oil fill cap. For our final steps, reinstall the oil drain plug securely, ensuring it's tight but not over-tightened. Check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if needed to reach the full mark. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, then carefully inspect for any leaks around the drain plug or oil filter. Remember to properly dispose of the used oil and filter at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.